On this episode, I start my tiny house build. It is going to be a multiple episode series. I started out with an old ticket boot. It has a sled underneath so it can be transported with a truck. It is 6 meters long by 3 meters wide. That's about 19 feet by 9 feet. I want to transform it into an off-grid cabin. The windows will have to be replaced since the glass is very thin. On the inside, I want to rebuild the floor and walls for better insulation. This is my design of how it should look once it is finished. Because there's not much space, I have chosen to make the bed fold out of the closet behind the sofa. I want a full-sized shower and toilet. I want a nice kitchen with a slide out and probably with an induction cooker. It was at this point that I started to reconsider my life choices. Someone had put a new floor on the top of the old rotten one, and the roof had more leaks than the Titanic, so the entire floor and roof need to be replaced. Since there is also some frame damage, I have to take the tiny house back to bare metal. This is perfect time for me to make some changes to the design. This is my new design. I stretched it a little over 1 meter. This way I have enough place to have a fixed bed. Since it has the sled on the underside, it still needs to be able to be tilted so a truck can drive underneath it. That's why I only extended the top half. Underneath the bed will be a big storage space for battery packs and equipment. I also moved the big window in the rear because you don't want to sleep with your back against a cold window. On the next episode, I will start with the metalwork and maybe some woodwork. Can you see yourself living in this tiny house, or are there some changes you would like to see in the design? Let me know in the comments what you think.